Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, I would like to double check the Bitcoin Cash targets updates with my custom cassette. While the all markets going down, Bitcoin Cash slowly but surely climbing higher and higher and higher. So the main accumulation zone was here in summer since May 2022 till June 2023, and this zone still accumulation zone for a spot position 161 and 48.64. This is a global chart since June 17, and we climb it up to the main target, and I guess end of cycle for this token can be around $1,014. $1,015, for example. We already, while the BTC going down, for example, from 126K to 80K approximately, the Bitcoin Cash climbed it up, and it's kind of strange, but we build, like a triangle, and this triangle should be breaking out soon, really soon, and the side of that triangle could be even, I don't know, 1,163. So maybe even higher. So from the approximately here, from the high even till penny, we can target the 1,000. But I don't think so. We're gonna hit the higher point by price over then made some 21 high. But I'm so surprised. So every single week, it's like consolidation. We sweep the high of December 24 and going higher. So the worst case scenario for the Bitcoin Cash, if we reject at 23 over FIB and crush it down to grab this liquidity, and go into the crazy bear market. So it's going to be like impulse, and bear market. So I don't think so. And just to be honest, guys, if we compare with many other altcoins, it's performed pretty good one. So congrats everybody who accumulated here. Now you could be in profits on the spot 463. It's so amazing result for this cycle to be in profit 400%, while the other cycles, people could be laughing at this gains, because everybody waiting there 4,000% gains, not 400%. Now 400, it's amazing result. So we still hold, the uptrend structure, because here was a low, higher low, and no lower low. That's why we're still in an uptrend structure. A daily time frame, guys, also like pure structure. Absolute. What I don't recommend use the trend lines, because the trend lines usually it works in theory right here. The people usually what to do. They here do something like this one, so it's an uptrend. We should break up this trend line and skyrocket to the moon. But usually we break it down, and now the people open short position because we break the trend line. After that, the people withdraw the trend lines. So I'm not a fan of trend lines, just to be honest. After that, the people find another trend line, but on a higher time frame. Maybe it makes sense, so the next step should be like supports 520, 530, and we can trade in this consolidation till summer. I don't think so. So we're gonna trade like 685, 500, so $100 range till the middle of summer. Maybe. Who knows? Maybe. And after that, we could skyrocket to 1,163, and it's going to be the end of cycle. That's why everything possible, guys, in crypto, everything depends on your strategy and your plan. Let's take a look now locally. What's going on with the Bitcoin Cash? ADZ I can show you because it's a global ticker. So direction indicator without any signals, no buy, no sales on the daily. Weekly time frame, still no signal to sell. Let's add alerts to sell, at least some bearish signals. Now nothing. 12 time frame, also nothing. So this any token could repeat the same price action like Bitcoin Cash, just a stable move up, but altcoins usually move like this one. Up 50%, crash 70%, up 50%, crash 30%. So it's like random. Bitcoin Cash build a great structure. Direction, no signals to sell or buy. Nothing. Neutral on 12 time frame. Highly recommend you use the brand new indicators, dashboard all in one place. Overbought on direction 1 hour time frame, but it's just for intraday, guys. Let's take a look. The market smooth. On 12 time frame, it's optimism. Daily time frame on the market small indicator, it's positive. Weekly time frame, we oversaturated. So it can be kind of scary moments, but take a look. The last cycle, since December 2020, we traded in oversaturated zone till the aphasia, madness, aphasia in May 2021. Now we trade here since June 2025, and would be good to see the continuation by end of May, for example, 2026, and reach the main goal. To close the this weekly gap, fulfill. This is going to be like 1,100. And if you want to buy now, I can't say it's something extra bullish because it's only 84% potential gains with potential drop losses like 72. So I'm more than sure in the next bear market, we're going to retest this block again, but like a support and bounce to maybe to new all-time high in the next cycle, but not this one. But if you believe about a new all-time high this cycle, you can hold and wait. My target I showed you. Based on the market mood, we oversaturated. Definitely. Money power, guys. No money inflow. Last money inflow was here in March 2025. Now nothing on the weekly. Daily, this is what I talk about. So pretty good market structure. So we move upside moon. Here we drop, money in, bounce, money in, bounce, money out, sell, climb it up to the top, correction, and we repeat the same story like it was here in September 2025. Now the money in again. So I wish to see the kind of a little bit correction to 530, money in again, and continuation to the top. Trade on. Daily, sell. We need to see this take profit from the sell like it was here. So here was a December 2024 sell, take profit, buy, sell. Or maybe we would not see the take profit from the sell. Maybe we could see the continuation of the uptrend and the sell, stay signal step by step. Makes sense. Weekly time frame, buy, take profit, sell, and it's a distribution. For me, it looks like we build a like range. So impulse, range, impulse should be. I don't think so. It's like impulse, range, and drop. Like a global weekly time frame BART pattern. I don't think so. A 12 time frame, let's add alert to take profits from this sell on the 12 time frame. So the signal take profit from the sell it could be like a trigger for continuation upside move and reversal move of the trend, local one. The last indicator is take profit, guys. Daily, buy line, now it's 377. Lines like you can see dynamic. The take profit 751, exit line 845. Weekly time frame, buy line is 301, exit line 675. So I wish to see the upside move and continuation. Monthly time frame, the buy line on the monthly is 227, for my value on the monthly 169. So I'm more about the upside move this spring because I don't think so. We will drop now to once again to the buy line and to the main accumulation zone. No, makes sense. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about Bitcoin Cash. If you'd like to trade with my customer service, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.